How to get rid of facial hair naturally. Orange and lemon peel facial mask. One of the very popular ingredients used by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners for a variety of ailments is orange peel. The orange oil that you get from orange peel is used in a wide variety of cosmetic products. It is a very popular ingredient that helps in cleansing the skin and gives it a toned look. The orange peel has higher concentration of vitamin C like the lemon juice and lemon peels. Both orange peel and lemon peel are natural exfoliating agents that will help in easily getting rid of unwanted facial hair. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of powdered orange peel, 1 teaspoon of powdered lemon peel, 1 teaspoon of ground almond, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of rose water. Method: mix all the powdered ingredients like oatmeal, dried orange and lemon peel powders and ground almond powder in a bowl. Now add required amount of olive oil and rose water and make it into a paste. Apply this paste onto your face and leave it to sit for 5 to 8 minutes. Then use the tip of your fingers to gently rub the paste in circular strokes. Do this process for about 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off with water. Repeat this procedure for 2 to 3 times in a week to see effective results. Thanks for watching. Do like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more on how to get rid of facial hair naturally.